Lost your job in the Empire State? Don't panic. This video is your express guide to filing for unemployment benefits in New York. First, you need to meet the eligibility requirements in general. You must have worked and earned enough wages in New York during the base period, be unemployed through no fault of your own, and be ready, willing, and able to work. Before you start your application, gather these essential documents: your social security number, driver's license, or other photo ID, detailed employment history for the last 18 months including employer names, addresses, phone numbers, and dates of employment, and your bank account information for direct deposit. Ready? Let's head to the New York State Department of Labor website. That's Laborni.gov on the homepage. Find and click on the Unemployment Services link. Next, click on the File a Claim button. You'll be directed to the NYGOV ID login page. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Follow the prompts to register. Now the important part, the application. Be prepared to spend about 3,045 minutes completing the form. Carefully fill in all required fields with accurate information. Double-check everything before submitting. Once your claim is filed, you'll need to certify for benefits each week. This confirms you're still unemployed and actively seeking work. You can usually do this online or by phone. Finally, keep an eye on your bank account for those unemployment payments. Remember, patience is key. It can take a few weeks for your claim to be processed and benefits to begin. Good luck getting back on your feet.